how to create a membership site. Hey there, it's Brian Dixon, founder of Kajabi Kickstart. And if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering, how do I create a membership site? You probably heard about membership sites. I've even called it the magic gold of the internet because I'm such a believer in membership sites. And yet it can be a little overwhelming and confusing. Well, in this video, what I want to do is sort of just walk you through the different components of a membership site and how to get started. So the first thing that you need to know about a membership site is you need to provide ongoing value. That's the difference between an online course, a book, any kind of coaching program, and a membership site. Because membership sites generally, the business model is that it's recurring revenue, which means that it's a recurring charge or a charge that happens every certain amount of time. So most membership sites, it's every month. So every single month, somebody clicks and somebody gets charged, their credit card gets charged every single month, which means you need to provide ongoing value. If you don't provide value, people will quit your membership site. So you got to provide ongoing value. Well, I want to let you know that my favorite tool for creating online membership sites is called Kajabi. If you've never heard of Kajabi, you are in for a treat because I want to let you know that it can be really overwhelming to create a membership site because you need a couple components. You're going to need your sales page where you tell people what is included in your membership site. Then you need to have the product itself, which is the membership site access level. So for example, it's your core membership, your monthly membership access level. Then you need a way for somebody to buy it, which means they need a checkout process to enter their payment information, their email, their name, etc. You need these three components: a sales page, the product itself, and then a checkout process. And once that's all completed, then you need an email confirmation to let them know that their purchase was successful and how to log in. And then they need to log into the membership site so that they get the value that they paid for. And then you need a way to update content, to create and share content on a monthly basis to give them what that they were asking. Plus you need some community. Well, all of those components are handled within Kajabi. One tool to rule them all. It's one tool to make sure that all these work. And just a quick disclaimer, that community part, there is a community feature in Kajabi. I've heard really good things about it, but here's the thing. I really believe that you go where the fish are, that you join a conversation that's already happening, and most people, at least at the time of this recording, are still using Facebook. So our membership sites that we run, we still have the community feature inside of Facebook. That might change down the road one day. And here's the cool thing. Kajabi has a platform called Community where you can create your own kind of private Facebook like experience, but just inside of Kajabi. So they're not seeing ads for other people's sites or other people's products. They're not getting distracted by pictures of dogs or pictures of kids. It's all about your member content inside of the community feature of Kajabi. So you technically can do create your entire membership site just in one platform called Kajabi. Well, what I'd love to do in the rest of this video is I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you behind the scenes of a brand new website, brand new membership site that we launched recently called TikTok Workshop. It's a membership site for authors, speakers, and entrepreneurs who want to learn how to grow their following and engage their ideal customer using TikTok, which is a pretty new social media platform for many people. So let's hop on over to my screen and I'll show you behind the scenes of a membership site inside of Kajabi. Okay, so welcome to my screen here. What I'm gonna do is show you the TikTok Workshop, show you a little behind the scenes of TikTok Workshop. You can see it's just getting started. In the last 30 days, we've had $799 worth of sales. We've had 285 people opt in to learn about TikTok Workshop, to be on our mailing list. And we've had 19 people join in the last 30 days. And if you do the math on that, that means that we charge $47 a month. So $47 a month times about 20 is just over 800. So you can see why we're at $799 right there in the last 30 days. Well, first of all, let me just start with the site itself, tiktokworkshop.com. This is a Kajabi page, and I'll show you exactly where it is. It's inside of here. If I go to website, And this is my homepage. And you can see that this homepage is the homepage right there. Okay. Now, what I decided to do on my homepage is have an invitation to a webinar. Yes, you can do a webinar inside of Kajabi, which is pretty cool. So check this out. Click to save your spot for online training. So I'm just going to do like Kajabi test. There we go. Kajabi test at brianjdixon.com. Okay. And yes, save my spot. And I'm going to show you, okay, then it takes you to a thank you page. It says, yes, you're almost there. Check your email for the confirmation link. So I automatically sent an email to anybody that registers. That happens automatically through Kajabi. Again, everything you're seeing is in our Kajabi site. So then I'm going to go back over to the back end of Kajabi. I'm going to click on people. And you're going to see that the last person that joined right here is named Kajabi Test. And less than a minute ago, 0 purchases, 0 revenue, received the event email at the time of registration for the training that we're having. And it actually says this event has passed and the event date cannot be added. So I need to do a little updating here of this particular event. But the cool thing is that this person is now on our email list. And so now that person's going to get emails automatically to learn about TikTok Workshop. And the fun thing is, like that little error there of what happened, they signed up for, it was actually an old event because they registered to the TikTok training December 9th event. So let me show you how easy it is to fix that. Okay. So I just go to website here and I click on customize. And, traditional websites, this could be a nightmare to fix, but it's actually pretty easy. I just click on this button here and I realize that, okay, so it's going to open the 2-step, which means it'll open the pop-up. So I need to click on 2-step and show the pop-up. And I just need to change this form here because this form is the old form. So click on that and I need to go to TikTok Evergreen Webinar, save. There you go. And undo the pop-up, save. And then I'm going to go back to people and I'll do this one more time. Okay. And I'll show you how easy it is to fix something when something's broken because of my fault. So I'm going to refresh the screen, click on here, and we're going to call this TikTok or Kajabi test 2 so that you'll see that this person is actually registered to the real webinar. There we go. Okay. Same thing, right? And then I'm just going to refresh here, click on people. You'll see that there's a new person added and that they opted into TikTok Evergreen Webinar there. All right. So yes, they got access to the actual webinar that they were supposed to. And this will update based on the rules that I have for all of my forms, which is kind of cool. I can show you kind of behind the scenes there. Let's see. We go to marketing, forms, and this TikTok Evergreen Webinar, and it registers to an event, TikTok Training Evergreen, and then I click on my events here. You can see TikTok Training Evergreen. You can see TikTok Training Evergreen. It occurs. It starts on 12/16, which is tonight, and then it actually recurs every week. And at the time of registration, they're going to get an email. You're registered, and here's where they go. So if I go back over to people, you'll notice that this person has been updated, and they've now received. They've been registered to the event, and they've received the event email. Listen, guys, all of that is included in Kajabi, which is pretty powerful, and it did it all automatically. You see, even though in this demo I had a mistake, I fixed it in just a couple minutes. That's how easy Kajabi is to use. Okay, so that's how you get them on the webinar. Well, what about sales? How does that work? Well, let me show you the product. So this is the product, TikTok Workshop. It's almost like it's like comparable to like Teachable or Thinkific. This is basically all you get with those tools. You don't get anything else I've just shown you. You just get the course builder. So this is kind of like the course builder section, what Kajabi calls products. You can see this is all the training that's included in the monthly membership site plus a Facebook group, and the price for it is $47 a month. Well, how do I do that It's over on offers. You see this TikTok workshop offer is $47 a month, and I'll show you what the checkout looks like. So let's preview this. There you go. And they enter their information, and they can pay either through their credit card or PayPal, all included inside of Kajabi. So there you go. That's how easy it is to create your online membership site in Kajabi. One tool to rule them all, to make it so simple. You don't have to have all these other fancy tools, landing page builders, email marketing programs, evergreen webinar tools. There are so many tools that you can get rid of, that you can cancel. That monthly membership fee that you're paying for all these tools, you are wasting it if you don't sign up for Kajabi. Now listen, I'm hosting a 28-day challenge to help you get your membership site off the ground, doing it absolutely for free. And you can learn more about the 28-day challenge by going to kajabikickstart.com. Now's the time to create and launch your own online course or online membership site. I'll show you how step by step for free. Just go to kajabikickstart.com or click the link below this video. Thanks for watching.